What if time suddenly stopped? Not for a minute, not for an hour, just one single second. No warning, no sound, no sign. One moment, the world is moving. The next, everything is perfectly still. You wouldn't notice it, but that 1 second could change more than you think. To understand what would happen, we need to be clear about one thing. Time doesn't just affect clocks. It controls motion, energy, and cause and effect. Every heartbeat, every neuron firing in your brain, every airplane in the sky, all of it exists because time is flowing forward. So when we say time freezes, we don't mean people standing still like statues. We mean everything stops. Light, air, electricity, atoms, nothing moves. For 1 second, the moment time freezes, the universe becomes a still image. Cars stop mid-motion. Raindrops hang frozen in the air. Birds remain suspended mid-flight. But here's the strange part. You wouldn't be aware of it. Your brain relies on time to process information. If time stops, your thoughts stop too. So from your perspective, the world wouldn't feel paused. It would feel uninterrupted. One moment flows directly into the next. But during that invisible second, something dangerous happens. Motion carries energy. A moving car, a spinning turbine, a flowing river. When time freezes, that energy doesn't disappear. It gets locked in place. Now imagine time suddenly restarting. All that frozen motion resumes at once. Every car instantly regains speed. Every spinning object continues rotating. Every explosion resumes mid-blast. But here's the issue. During the freeze, nothing dissipates energy. No air resistance, no friction, no heat transfer. When time restarts, physics tries to catch up. That causes tiny but violent energy spikes. Most would be microscopic, but across the entire planet, those spikes add up. Airplanes are one of the biggest risks. At cruising altitude, jets move hundreds of meters per second. If time freezes while they're in motion, when time resumes, the sudden return of airflow creates extreme stress. Most planes would survive, but some would experience dangerous turbulence. Satellites face an even bigger problem. In orbit, precise timing keeps them stable. A frozen second disrupts that balance. Some satellites would drift just enough to slightly alter their orbits. Not catastrophic, but measurable. On Earth's surface, the effects are subtle, but real sensitive equipment, financial systems, atomic clocks, they all detect something off. Here's the most unsettling part. Even though no one feels it, even though life continues normally, the universe remembers. Atomic clocks would show inconsistencies. Physics experiments would fail to line up perfectly. Certain reactions wouldn't make sense. Scientists wouldn't know why. They'd call it a measurement error, a glitch, noise in the data. But it wouldn't be random. It would be evidence of something impossible. A moment where cause existed, without effect. 1 second isn't enough to end the world, but it's enough to remind us how fragile reality really is. Everything we rely on, from gravity to electricity, depends on time flowing smoothly. Break that flow, even briefly, and the universe starts to unravel. So the next time 1 second feels insignificant, remember this. If time ever truly stopped, even for the blink of an eye, the universe would never be exactly the same again.